How to fix the overlapping elements on the mobile view on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how we can fix the overlapping elements or the sections within your Wix website on the mobile. As you know, Wix is going to have different type of views. We have the standard view, which is going to be of the desktop, and also we have the mobile version. So we're going to regulate or fix the problem of overlapping. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and we are going to be on the admin dashboard. Within the setup or the homepage, click on edit site and it is going to open up the editor. Now, how to find or to, let's say, smell a little of infringement here or the overlapping elements, we should head over the switch to mobile view. And when you click on switch to mobile view, it is going to let you see the elements or the sections as they are. So as you can see, I have smelled that this image is going to be overlapping from this text and button. And let's see what other. So basically we have no other. For this one, it is going to be a menu that we do not need it at all. So I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to head over the desktop. So we're going to wait for a desktop view and we're going to put something better. So I'm going to select here the elements right there, all the elements. I'm going to group them. And normally the problem is going to be fixed. You're going to see I have switched and boom, it is not overlapping right there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. It's not only going to be a matter of grouping things, but it could be sometimes elements or let's say blocks that are going to be exceeding the specific size of the screen. So make sure that you're going to make it at least reservable and also viewable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed the content and I hope to see you on the next one.